Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is ozone layer and its depletion. First, you should know what is ozone layer. The ozone layer is a region in the Earth's stratosphere that contains high concentrations of ozone, and it protects the Earth from the ultraviolet radiations of the sun. This ozone layer that is present in stratosphere is second layer of the Earth's atmosphere, and it is about 50 kilometer above sea level, and this level it contains ozone layer, and it has high concentration of ozone, and it protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiations. Ozone, what's ozone? Ozone is a molecule that contains three atoms of oxygen, and this ozone is also a gas, and if it is poisonous in nature if inhaled. And this ozone layer, it protects our Earth from high energy ultraviolet radiations that are coming from the sun. Now let us go deeply through this ozone layer. What is this? The ozone layer, it is found in lower portion of the Earth's atmosphere, that is in the stratosphere layer of Earth, and it has the potential to absorb about 97 to 99% of harmful UV radiations that are coming from the sun and that are harmful for us. And if the ozone layer, if it was absent, millions of people will develop skin disease, and it also weakens our immune system. And this ozone layer, it is very important for the existence of life on the Earth because it absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiations that are coming from the sun. And this ozone layer, have it is also important for animals as well as plants, because these ultraviolet radiations, they have also harmful effects on plants as well as animals. However, साइंटिस्ट जो है उन्होंने डिस्कवर किया है होल इन द ओजोन लेयर ओवर द एंटार्क्टिका, and this has focused their concern on various environmental issues and what are the steps that need to control this depletion of ozone layer. and main reason जो है ओजोन होल के वो है substance like chlorofluorocarbons, halogens, carbon tetrachloride, methyl bromide, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons. This means these are the substances that causes hole in the ozone layer. Now we will see how this depletion of ozone layer is caused. Ozone layer depletion क्या होता है ये? It is the gradual thinning of the Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere, that is caused due to the release of chemical compounds containing bromine or chlorine from industries or other human activities. This ozone layer depletion, what is ozone layer depletion? It is gradual thinning of जो ozone layer है हमारे atmosphere में, how it is thickened, it is how it is thinned. It has been found that amount of ozone is getting depleted or reduced, due to which जो ozone layer है in the upper atmosphere, that is getting thinner and thinner day by day. And the depletion of ozone layer is due to the use of chemical substance like chlorofluorocarbons, and these which are widely used in our refrigerators as a coolant, or we can say in fire extinguishers, or these aerosol sprays. And these chlorofluorocarbons that are released into the air that react with ozone gas present in the ozone layer and destroy it gradually. Due to this, the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere that has become thinner, and it allows the more ultraviolet radiations to pass it to the earth, which causes the depletion of ozone layer. ठीक है, ozone layer depletion यही है कि how this ozone layer is depleted. It is due to the use of chlorofluorocarbons that are mostly used in our refrigerators, or we can see in fire extinguishers. And if this ozone layer in the atmosphere, if it disappears completely, then what will happen? All these extremely harmful ultraviolet radiations that are coming from the sun, that would reach the earth, and These ultraviolet radiations would cause skin cancer, or we can say other ailments in man and animals, and it will also cause damage to the plants, or we can say all the life on the earth that would be destroyed gradually. ठीक है. Here are some ozone depleting substances like chlorofluorocarbons. These are used in refrigerators, air conditioner, solvents, dry cleaning agents, and second is halogens that are used in fire extinguishers. Carbon tetrachloride that are known as used in fire extinguishers. Methyl chloroform that are used in adhesive aerosols, and hydrofluorocarbons that are used in solvent cleaning, fire extinguishers, or solvent cleaning. This means these substances that are used in our day-to-day life, they are causing depletion in ozone layer. This means जो ओजोन लेयर है, what are the cause, मैंने आपको अभी बोला, these are depleted due to the use of chlorofluorocarbons and these substance like methyl chloroform, carbon tetrachloride. And what are the effects of ozone layer depletion? Depletion of ozone layer has harmful effects on the environment. Let us see what are the major effects of ozone layer depletion on man and environment. First, it affects human health. Humans will be directly exposed to harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun due to depletion of ozone layer, and this might result in serious health issues like skin disease, cancer, sunburns, cataract, quick aging, and it will also weaken our immune system. और एनिमल्स में इसका इफेक्ट क्या होता है? अगर एनिमल्स, इफ देयर विल बी डायरेक्ट एक्सपोजर ऑफ एनिमल्स टू अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन, इट विल लीड्स टू स्किन एंड आई कैंसर इन एनिमल्स. और एनवायरनमेंट पे क्या, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज है, दे मे लीड टू मिनिमल ग्रोथ, फ्लावरिंग एंड फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट्स. और जो फॉरेस्ट हमारे हैं, दैट है आल्सो हैव टू बियर द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज. वो जो मैरीन लाइफ है, जो एक्वाटिक लाइफ है, जो सीज में जो ये प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स रहता है, उन पर क्या इफेक्ट होता है? जो उनमें प्लैंक्टन्स होते, प्लांट्स होते छोटे छोटे, दे आर ग्रेटली इफेक्टेड बाय द एक्सपोजर टू हार्मफुल अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज, and these are higher in aquatic food chain. And if the planktons are destroyed, if these small plants are destroyed, the organisms present in lower food chain are also affected, and this would affect our environment. अब क्या solution है to ozone layer depletion? The depletion of ozone layer जो है, it is a serious issue, और बहुत सारे programs they had been launched by the government of various countries to prevent it, but the steps that should be taken at an individual level to prevent the depletion of ozone layer, that are, हमने क्या करना है to save our ozone layer? First, we should avoid using pesticides. जो हम pesticides use करते हैं, वो हमने अवॉइड करना है, बिकॉज जो नेचुरल मेथड्स हैं, वी शुड adopt natural methods to get rid of pests and weeds instead of using chemicals. And one can use eco-friendly chemicals to remove the pests or remove the weeds manually. Second, we should minimize the use of vehicles. And how we can minimize the use of vehicles? The vehicles जो है, they emit a large amount of greenhouse gases, and that leads to global warming as well as ozone depletion. Therefore, the use of vehicles should be minimized as much as possible. Therefore, we should prefer public transport instead of using private transport. That can lead to minimize the use of vehicles, because they also produce a large amount of greenhouse gases that also leads to global warming and depletion of ozone layer. Third is use eco-friendly cleaning products. जो हम cleaning products use करते हैं, they have chlorine and bromine, and they also release chemicals that find a way into the atmosphere, and they also affect the ozone layer, and these should be substituted with natural products to protect the environment. और जो nitrous oxides है, it should be prohibited, their use should be prohibited. The government should take actions and prohibit the use of harmful nitrous oxides and that are adversely affecting our ozone layer, and people should be made aware of the harmful effects of nitrous oxides. and the products that are emitting the gas, so that its use is minimized at the individual level as well. These are the different measures by which we can save our ozone layer, and thus if we will follow these steps to minimize, to reduce, and if we will follow these steps, so that we can save our ozone layer and infect our environment. Thank you.